How to make him chase you. Save this in case you have a specific person, you get a new crush, or you want your ex back. I can't teach you everything in a little video like this, but check out my profile description for more tools. I'm Lauren Sugihara, intuitive love priestess and certified relationship coach. Step number 1, ladies, we are going to look our best, not somebody else's best. You don't have to get all glammed up like me, but I want you to feel amazing. You don't have to look like somebody else. Your person is going to love your look. But you need to be clean, honey. Don't wear grubby clothes all the time. Don't do your hair and makeup and then expect yourself to feel confident and amazing. That's not how it works. Men are visual creatures. I didn't write the rule book. I wish it was different, but that's just how it is. And you're gorgeous. Use it to your advantage. If you need inspiration, choose a celebrity or actress that has a similar look to you and use them as your muse. Step number 2, detach from them and get a life of your own. If you're already obsessing over if they're gonna text, that means that you need to go into withdrawal, do no contact, pull back, focus on your own life. Again, I have tools and meditations to help you with this in my profile. Stop opening up your entire calendar for some dude that you think is attractive. That's what I call social tofu. You're having no personality and life of your own. You're just taking on the flavor around you. I know, I used to do it too. You just become boring and lose your personality. Don't do that. Number 3, don't text him and call him first. Let him come to you. Women and feminine energy wants to feel safe and secure. We love hearing from them often. Guys are the opposite. They want that riddle to solve. They want that confusion. They want that mystery. Stop loving them like you want to be loved. It feels smothering to them. And finally, stop using this guy like your therapist. Be fun, be playful, especially in the beginning. You don't know him like that. That's what your girlfriends are for, or me. Listen to him and respond in feminine energy. You can learn more about that through my Heartspeak program. Check out my tools in my profile. I have complimentary trainings like How Men Fall in Love. If you want your ex back, you can watch 3 steps to get your ex back. You can also find all my courses. And if you really want some guidance, book a call with my assistant. She'll do a consultation on your specific situation and recommend what you should do. Maybe even one-on-one coaching with me. I'm Lauren Sugihara, intuitive love priestess, certified relationship coach, and the big sister you know you need. Don't worry, I've got you.